Welcome to the world of professional dental materials made by Olident. You will find out what makes Olident products special, how to use them, and how they can change your everyday work. OliSil REGI is an a-silicone material for precise registration of bite situation and relationships between the lower and upper jaws. It can also be used on face bow forks in facial arches. The automatic form of OliSil REGI application means always homogeneous structure of the material as well as clean and fast work. The material is applied directly to the oral cavity and the entire procedure is comfortable for the dental practitioner and the patient. OliSil REGI is highly flowable during application, but at the same time it does not flow down the preparation site and does not drip. It offers no resistance while biting and cures within just 45 seconds, which is the key to precise bite registration. Once the bite registration is removed from the mouth, it is still possible to remove any excess with a scalpel and then rotary tools. OliSil REGI does not crack or crumble and is also insensitive to high temperatures, which eliminates the risk of deformations during transport. High hardness and balanced elasticity are additional features that prosthetic laboratories require from this type of material. After complete polymerization, OliSil REGI offers a sure A hardness of 90, which helps minimize the so-called spring action during articulation on models. At the same time, the material remains optimally elastic, hence exceptionally durable. When working with a-silicone impression materials, remember not to use latex and powdered gloves, as contact with sulfur compounds may affect the curing process. The OliSil REGI packaging contains 2 cartridges with the material and mixing tips. The OliSil REGI cartridge should be placed in a dosing gun with a mixing ratio of 1:1. The cartridge protection cap should be removed and discarded and the mixing tip attached. The used mixing tip with the cured material will serve as a plug. During the first use of the cartridge, squeeze out approximately 2 cm of the material and discard it. This will allow leveling out the base material and the catalyst in the cartridge. The material should be applied on both sides of the lower dental arch, covering a minimum of 3 teeth on each side. The layer of the applied material should be about ½ centimeter thick. The patient should then be allowed to bite teeth as freely as possible. OliSil REGI can also be applied to the entire dental arch. After 45 seconds, the bite registration is polymerized. Immediately after its removal from patient's mouth, any excess amounts of the material can be cut with a scalpel and then finished with a milling cutter. Ready-made bite registration should be rinsed with water, disinfected, and sent to the laboratory. Precise bite registration is an essential source of information necessary for the effective preparation of any prosthetic restoration. Proper registration of bite situation means fewer corrections in the dental office and guarantees a well-functioning restoration. Visit our YouTube channel or our website at www.olident.com to learn more about all Olident products.